The Little Artist. A little girl named Emma loved to paint. She would spend hours creating colorful pictures of the world as she saw it. One day, she entered an art competition in her town. Hoping to win, she painted a big, beautiful landscape of a sunset over a field of flowers and waited eagerly for the results. When the winners were announced, Emma's name wasn't called. Disappointed, she told her mother, "I worked so hard, but I didn't win." Her mother gently replied, "Art isn't always about winning. It's about expressing yourself and finding joy in what you create." Emma thought about her mother's words and realized she still loved her paintings, even without a prize. From then on, she painted not for competitions, but for the joy of it. And soon enough, people started noticing her unique style, admiring her work for its genuine beauty.